Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the workspace and addressing surface issues. Remove or center furniture, then cover floors and fixtures. This prevents cleanup later. Sand shiny spots and scrape loose paint. Use spackle for holes, then wipe residue. Let surfaces dry about 30 minutes. Once done, apply painter's tape to trim, outlets, and windows. Make sure edges are sealed. If you have stains or new drywall, roll 1 coat of primer. This equalizes absorption, improves adhesion, and reduces the number of finish coats you'll need. You cut in first to define edges. Use a 2-3-inch angled brush and paint a 2 to 3-inch border along trim and corners. Once cut in, load a 9-12-inch roller with a 3/8 to 1/2-inch nap and work in 4 by 4 foot sections, rolling in a W pattern to distribute paint evenly. Make sure to maintain a wet edge to avoid lap marks. Apply 2 thin coats rather than 1 heavy coat, and allow the manufacturer's recommended dry time between coats so the finish levels properly. You finish by removing tape while the paint is still slightly tacky. This prevents peeling and yields crisp lines. Inspect the walls under good light, looking for drips, thin patches, or uneven texture. Touch up with a small brush or short nap roller as needed. If you see bleed-through from knots or stains, sand glossy areas and spot prime with a stain-blocking primer before repainting. If texture or lap marks persist, lightly scuff the area and recoat. This usually fixes visible flaws quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.